In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit SVG files with Affinity. If you're working with logos, icons, or clean vector artwork, SVG files are perfect because they stay crisp at any size. In this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and focused so you can bring an SVG into your Affinity app and start making precise edits right away. First, open Affinity and look to the top left of your screen for the File menu. Think of this as your starting gate for bringing content into your project. Click File to reveal your standard document options. This is where you'll find everything related to opening, creating, and managing files. Next, choose Open. This brings up your system's file browser. It's the same place you'd normally go to locate images, documents, or downloads on your computer. If you just downloaded your SVG, it's likely in your Downloads folder. If you work with a dedicated Assets folder, navigate there instead. You can usually switch the view to see thumbnails, which helps confirm you've got the right graphic before you load it. Now, select the SVG file you have. Click once to highlight it and confirm it's the artwork you want. If your SVG was created elsewhere, it may contain grouped layers or text that references specific fonts. That's normal. When you open it, Affinity reads the vector shapes, colors, and paths. If you see any prompt about fonts or text, simply review it and proceed. You can adjust or replace text after import if needed. Once you confirm, Affinity will load the artwork onto your canvas. With the document open, click on the artwork to begin adjusting the SVG. You'll see a bounding box around your selection. Drag the corner handles to scale. Hold Shift while dragging if you want to keep proportions intact. Rotate by hovering near a corner until you see the rotation cursor, then drag. If objects are grouped, a single click selects the group. Double-clicking lets you dive in to select individual elements. To recolor shapes, select a shape and choose New, Fill and Stroke Colors. Increase or decrease stroke width for bolder or finer lines. If a shape isn't quite right, switch to editing its points and gently move handles for smoother curves. Use snapping to line up elements neatly and rearrange items by adjusting their order so one sits in front of or behind another. Zoom in for precision. Zoom out to check overall balance, and remember to save your work as you refine. That's it. You've imported your SVG and started editing cleanly and confidently in Affinity. Keep practicing with different files and you'll get faster every time.